5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Large-scale acquisition of agricultural and abadi land of farmers of different villages of Greater Noida and Noida of district Gautam Budh Nagar in the name of planned industrial development is the subject matter of challenge in these 471 writ petitions. These writ petitions have been placed before this full bench under orders of Honorable the Chief Justice dated 6/8/2010 on a reference made by a division bench in writ petition number 35580 of 2010 and other connected matters. Writ petition number 35580 of 2010 challenges the notifications dated 12/3/2008 issued under section 4 read with sections 17(1) and 17(4) of Land Acquisition Act and notification dated 30/6/2008 by which declaration was made for acquisition of 645 hectares land of village Patwari. Similar notifications under section 4 read with sections 17(1), 17(4) and section 6 of the Land Acquisition Act were issued with regard to different villages. Several writ petitions were filed challenging the land acquisition, which writ petitions came for hearing before the division bench on 26/7/2010. One of the submissions made before the division bench was that of the state had wrongly invoked the provisions of section 17(1) and 17(4) of the Land Acquisition Act, hereinafter referred to as Act, and the right of objection under section 5A was wrongly dispensed with, hence the entire acquisition proceedings deserved to be set aside. The petitioners placed reliance on a division bench judgment of this court dated 19/7/2010 passed in writ petition number 17068 of 2009 Karan Singh versus State of UP and others, in which judgment the division bench of this court held that invocation of the provisions of sections 17(1) and 17(4) of the Act was not justified, and relying on the judgment of the Apex Court in Ramesh versus State of UP reported in 5 Supreme Court cases 533 and judgment of the Apex Court dated 6/7/2010 in Greater Noida Industry Development Authority versus Virender Kumar reported in 2010 6 ADG 480 quashed the notifications dated 12/3/2008 and 36/2008. Learned Counsel for the State, refuting the submissions of the Learned Counsel for the petitioners, relied on another division bench judgment of this court dated 25/11/2008 in writ petition number 45777 of 2008, Mahesh Chand and others versus State of UP and others, in which judgment invocation of section 17(1) and 17(4) was upheld and the writ petition was dismissed, in which same notifications dated 23/2008 and 21/7/2008 were under challenge. Faced with large number of writ petitions challenging the land acquisition by farmers of different villages of Greater Noida and Noida, and noticing two conflicting views expressed by two different division benches on the same notifications, the division bench passed following order on 30/11/2010. Again, this background, prima facie, we are of the view that a larger bench is required to be formed for the purpose of hearing these matters, not only in respect of the village in question, but also for all the acquisition matters in respect of the new Okhla Industrial Development Authority and Greater Noida Industrial Development Authority, for the ends of justice, to reduce the fume and to avoid the multiplicity of the proceedings.